Samsung has officially confirmed what tech insiders had predicted: Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will arrive with One UI 8, Android 16 right out of the box. Mobile phone sparkles. This is a major departure from the usual trend, as it's the first time a Samsung flagship launched in the second half of the year will run the latest Android version instead of one from the previous year. Calendar, why is this a big deal? For years, Samsung's second-half flagships, like Foldables and the now discontinued Galaxy Note series, had to ship with the previous year's Android version. This was due to Google's traditional Android release timeline, which used to roll out major updates between August and December. Since Samsung's Foldables typically launch in July or August, they had no choice but to stick with the older version. However, 2025 marks a shift in this cycle. With Google now releasing new Android versions in the first half of the year, Samsung can finally bring cutting-edge software to its newest devices from day one. This means better optimization, faster features, and a more streamlined user experience without waiting for months. Handshake Samsung and Google, a partnership that changes everything. Samsung says that it worked closely with Google to ensure that One UI 8 would be ready for the Fold 7 and Flip 7 without delays. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed whether this accelerated rollout will be permanent, experts believe it's the start of a new trend. This collaboration could lead to Samsung flagships always launching with the latest Android version, improving software support and giving users an experience that's more refined and responsive from day one. Magnifying glass tilted right. What new features will Fold 7 and Flip 7 introduce? Samsung has already launched the One UI 8 beta program for Galaxy S25 users, and while the current updates mostly focus on polishing existing features, there's hope for major enhancements in the foldable lineup. Here are a few things we might see. White heavy checkmark. Better Galaxy AI integration. Samsung is putting a lot of focus on AI-powered tools, and the Fold 7 and Flip 7 might push this even further, offering smarter camera adjustments, improved performance, and unique AI-assisted features. White heavy checkmark. Optimized multitasking for foldables. The Fold series is known for its split-screen and productivity capabilities, so we can expect refinements in multi-window functionality, app continuity, and gesture controls. White heavy checkmark. Camera upgrades. While camera hardware improvements are still speculation, Samsung could introduce new AI-enhanced photography features, making better use of the foldable form factor. White heavy checkmark. Battery and performance boosts. With newer chips and better software optimizations, users may see longer battery life and faster processing speeds. Crystal ball. What's next? The new foldables are set to raise the bar for premium Android devices, but will Samsung deliver surprises beyond software updates? Could we see new hardware innovations, a refreshed design, or major durability improvements? One thing's for sure: Fold 7 and Flip 7 will redefine expectations for Samsung's foldable lineup. As more details emerge, we'll keep you updated.